Morning guys, another great video from us here at POTN. Today we're going to be unboxing the brand new product from EBC, the Track Pack. The Track Pack has been made for those real track enthusiasts, those that are on track all the time and really want to get their braking precise and how it needs to be and monitor the temperatures that are going on with your calipers throughout the day. So I thought we would get one in, let's open it up, tell you what's inside, what to expect and where you can find the product. So it comes in a nice little easy box, nothing really too special about it. First thing you see when you open the box is the temperature strips. These are going to be sitting on the caliper, quite easy to install. They work a bit like the other thermometers you used to put on your head when you're trying to get a sick day from school. Basically you sit on the flat surface of your caliper, do a couple of laps, come back and you'll be able to see what your caliper's sitting at. This one ranges from 150 to 220 degrees. So this is kind of your basic range. This is where you're aiming to get to. But of course things always go hotter. So let's take a look at what else you get. So I picked up the big paint here. So this is a 649 Celsius paint. This is what the paint goes up to max. So what with this will happen is basically you'll put it onto the edge of your disc, about half a finger's width or half an inch, shall we say, and you'll run it around the track, and then when you get to that temperature, the paint will dissolve. Of course, it comes with the paint thinners to get rid of the paint if you don't get to that temperature, and also it comes with a 538 Celsius, and it comes with a 427 Celsius. So of course what you'll be doing is you'll be working up that heat range to see what your temperature will be sitting at to get a good idea. But obviously what you're aiming for is under the 200 Celsius mark. That's going to give you the best kind of braking performance, and that's on the caliper itself. Anything higher than that, then you should start looking at kind of improving the temperature in terms of how much air is getting to the discs and trying to cool it down. This could be anything from ducting, better, more suitable brake pads, better discs, better wheels. You know, some people don't take into consideration the surface or area of the wheels, and also your braking style itself. So let's carry on with the unboxing. This time we've got the BF307 Plus. This is EBC's Racing Super Dot 4 brake fluid. It is a Dot 4, but obviously it gives you the ability to use it on track quite comfortably, and this will give you a higher temperature capability as well without losing some of that brake pedal feel. And of course you get the EBC Racing stickers. Everyone knows this improves the horsepower of the vehicle, so you're going to be looking better and be fast around the track too. So more about why you'd be using this. So we're getting a lot of people that are using products on track, not just EBC, and they're finding that they're not quite sure what temperature is happening, and why they're getting the soft brake pedal, why their temperatures are going up, why they can smell it, and what they should be doing to counteract this. But to counteract it, you kind of need to know where you're sitting in the first place. So this is where it comes in. You get quite an amount of product here. So you've got, let's have a quick look, 10 strips. Let's get them out so we can have a closer look. Obviously 10 strips are going to last you quite a long time. You'll get a few laps out of them before you need to dispose of them. And then you get the 3 bottles of the fluid. Let's open one up so you can take a look. We'll start with the lowest. Let's look at the 427 Celsius paint. It's nice and easy. It works a bit like nail polish if you've ever looked at one of those. It comes in a nice little green bottle, green paint, and it comes with the brush included. So what you'd be doing is, if we look at this lovely R35 disc that we've got here, you would be applying it to the edge here, and then you'd be running around the track a couple of laps and you'll get yourself up to temperature, and then you would know if this was working, as it would dissolve if it got to that temperature. If it doesn't dissolve, then you know you're running under that temperature. Quite easy to use really, so it's going to be there for those people that are just trying to get their braking sorted. If you are going on track, everyone's main concern is brakes. You know, a lot of the time people are going on track and not really knowing what's happening with them. They're not always running the right compounds. So this is where EBC is really stepping up their game and getting it around to everyone's heads of what they should be doing. They've got the brand new racing pads. They've got the RP1 and the RPX. This will complement their already good range, like the yellow stuff pad, which is perfect for fast road and track use. But the RP1 and RPX is a fantastic compound. We're getting a lot of great feedback. We're using on some serious horsepower cars on track. They've been used in championships throughout the UK and Europe now, and we're getting some really good feedback coming to us as an EBC Brake Shop, a retailer for EBC. Whilst we're talking about EBC Racing, it's a good time for you guys to head over to ebcracing.co.uk. This is an extension of EBC Brake Shop, which is powered by POTN. This is the best place online for you to buy all your EBC racing needs. So you can find on there the RP1 and RPX pads for your track days. You can find floating disc conversions. You can find their big brake kit range, which is absolutely phenomenal. We ran it on our Hyundai 30N. We were so surprised with it on track. It was fun to brake. I didn't even know that could even be a thing. So best place to head on over. Let us know what your thoughts are, and if there's anything you need, please again give us a comment. So we've been wondering, what brake pads are you running? If you're on track this summer, what brake pads do you intend to use? Is it EBC? Is it another brand? We're interested to know. Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts. So if you head over to ebcracing.co.uk, search TP001 in the search bar, that'll bring up this product. It's also on the homepage. Check it out now. It's in stock, it's ready to go. And if you use code HOTSTUFF, all in cap locks, you'll get 5% off the order as well, and that'll give you a nice little bonus advantage. So if you are enjoying our channel, please do like and subscribe. It's really helping us get the ideas out there and letting us show the products that you guys want to see. Please like, subscribe, comment, and we're wondering, what brake pads are you running?